Sela is at the carnival again. Hey Sela, you come here so often. Today we have a few questions for you. How many rides are there in the carnival? For which ride do we have to pay the most? For which ride do we have to pay the least? For how many rides do we have to pay the same amount of money? Oh, Sela appears confused. No problem, Sela. Let us go and collect information about the rides in a table. Maybe that will help you answer our questions. Here is a table that we can use. So, let us begin collecting information about the rides. The first ride is the familiar giant wheel that we see at every carnival. A ticket for the giant wheel ride costs rupees 50. Let us enter it in our table and move on. Aha! This is an interesting ride. It is called Aeroplane Ride and its ticket costs rupees 30. Let us enter it in our table and move on. Here is the traditional merry-go-round with horses. Its ticket costs rupees 25. Let's enter this information in our table as well. Now, we come to the train ride. A ticket for this ride costs rupees 30. Let's enter the ride and its cost in the table. The jumpy ride here is for the smaller kids. A ticket for this jumpy ride costs rupees 20. Let's enter the amount. Here is the star attraction of the carnival, a roller coaster. A ticket for this ride costs rupees 60. Let's add this information to our table. Okay, so we have seen all the rides in the carnival. Now, let us look at the table we made. This table shows information about the rides in the carnival. It shows the names of the rides and the costs of their tickets. All kinds of information is called data. So, this table can also be called a data table. Remember we asked some questions to Sela earlier? Let us see if she can answer them now using this data table. Our first question was how many rides are there in the carnival? We can easily see from the table that there are only 6 rides in the carnival. 6 is correct, Sela. Our next question was for which ride do we have to pay the most? We can see from the table that the maximum amount for a ticket is rupees 60 for the roller coaster. So, we have to pay the most for the roller coaster ride. Our next question was, for which ride do we have to pay the least? Looking at the table, we know that the minimum amount for a ticket is rupees 20 for the jumpy. So, we have to pay the least to ride the jumpy. Our final question was that for how many rides do we have to pay the same amount of money? The table shows that the cost of the ticket for both the aeroplane and the train rides is the same at rupees 30. So, we have to pay the same amount of money for the aeroplane and train rides. Well, Sela deserves a ride after all that data collection. Let us say goodbye to her and have fun with some more data tables.